Students, today we will read chapter number 1, phrase and clause. Now we will discuss about phrase. So students, what is mean by phrase? It is a group of words that makes partial sense and does not contain a predicate verb. Students, phrase means a group of words that make partial sense. It means it does not make complete sense by itself. The group has to be supported by other words that are not stated to make the sentence. Okay, and one more thing is that it does not contain a predicate verb. See how of red color into space with no writing on it. These group of words are phrase because they do not make complete sense and they do not contain a predicate verb. They need the support of other words to make complete sense. See more examples. Amit, deceived by his friend, was heartbroken. In this sentence, deceived by his friend, it is a phrase because it does not make any complete sense. It requires the support of other words to make a complete sense. Second, no one can expect to achieve one's goal without hard work and without hard work. Here, to achieve one's goal, it's a phrase because it does not make complete sense in itself. It requires the support of other words to make complete sense. She always does just ask according to order. According to order, it's a phrase because it does not contain a predicate verb and it does not make complete sense. Okay, so phrases are those group of words which make partial sense and does not contain a predicate verb. Now take a look at the following sentences. The child demanding something. Something is a noun. Okay, it's a noun. It's a noun of the object. It's an object of the noun verb demanded. The child demanded to be fed. To be fed is the object of the verb demanded. So to be fed is a group of words which does the work of a noun. So it's a noun phrase. Noun phrase means a group of words that does the work of a noun is a noun phrase. Okay. To win the competition is his aim. Here the noun phrase is the subject of the verb is. To win the competition is a noun phrase. He appears to be unwell. Here the noun phrase is the complement of the verb appear. To be unwell, it's a noun phrase. She hopes to travel to Istanbul. Here the noun phrase is the object of the verb hopes. To travel to Istanbul, it's a noun phrase. So the words which does the work of a noun are known as noun phrase. Okay students, so phrase means a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. Okay, in order to make the complete sense, it requires the support of other words, and moreover they does not contain a predicate verb. Thank you.